Crazy new spy robot gathers intelligence and then melts into a puddle. Get the hell out of here. What? It's an ice cube robot?
So obviously this is a really out there proof of concept. But in this video, you can kind of see magnets attached to clay or some sort of like really weird material. It can go through like certain obstacle courses.
Oh, I saw this. They were using this for surgery.
Yeah. So you can kind of see like this goop connects two wires together.
Yeah.
And makes like a full circuit.
It's magnetic, obviously.
Yeah.
Wait, this is what we were talking about before.
This is like an example.
Yeah, so this is a magnetic slime robot to retrieve swallowed items. Yeah, we talked about this on Later before.
I know, but this is kind of like similar in a sense.
The melting spy robot is what scientists refer to as a soft robot, meaning that it's made up of materials that are more flexible than those found on conventional robots. These softer materials allow the robots to be more flexible, and they've been proposed for several jobs, including delivering medicine to wild animals and even cancer-fighting robots to travel to specific parts of the body. This particular robot was built using a silicone composite that the researchers created. The material degrades quickly when exposed to UV light and heat, making this melting spy robot easy to dispose of when its mission is complete. To test the robot's efficiency, the researchers simulated a mission where it had to scout an unknown environment and then destroy itself. Wow. Expose itself to UV. But what I thought in the case of the retrieval of the swallowed objects is that there was just a magnet on the other side, which was moving the item about.
Sure.
So I don't understand how this silicone robot is moving without a power source.
Yeah, maybe it's like housed in some sort of goop, but it has like propellers inside or something. And then once it's hit with UV light, it would just kind of like all the components would melt away. Like it would just kind of dissolve.
Yeah.
I'm just thinking in my head how that works.
The melting spy robot moved to a small hot plate heated to 120 degrees Celsius. The robot then melted into an oily fluid and a transformation caused by exposure to UV light and then heat.
Yeah, I wish there was an example, but
yeah, well,
it's hard to imagine.
I mean, it's cool. It's definitely cool. No doubt. I just wonder what power source it's using to get around. Like, you're going to have to plant it pretty close to whatever you're trying to surveil. I can't picture this thing moving long distances.
Radio waves or something? I don't know. Wi-Fi? My mind is all over the place. I really
You're just saying tech terms right now, Will. Wi-Fi, 5G?
Yeah. 6G? 10G.